We are at the Dances with Wolves film site. This is where they filmed the winter scene toward the end of the film. It's about 2 miles up the road from Rough Lock Fall. And there's just a little sign here. But I'm gonna walk in here and take a look. It's beautiful. There's a little creek here. Rock formation up there. Panoramic view. Oh, kind of muddy here. Got some still water here and then a little drop. Whoa! This is about it, but we can say we saw it. There's hubby. Okay, this was the Dancing with Wolves film site.